How to trade cryptocurrency in September 2018. I'm James, welcome to today's technical analysis video. I make a video about Bitcoin most days, so before we get started, do subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Then you will get alerts when I make a video, and I'll generally tell you the best times to buy and the best times to sell. So I do the thinking for you. And if you like the video, I do appreciate you clicking that thumbs up button, and it will help my channel as well. Let me know how long you've been involved in the comments, and I'm going to quickly go through this chart for you. You're probably familiar with these red and green bars. These are the candlestick chart showing the Bitcoin price in US dollars. Right now, while I'm recording the video, we're currently trading at $7,272.99. Oh, it's just gone up to 72. Well, it's changing, so you can see it's a live video that I'm making here. Now, I've drawn on some things here. These trend lines are lines that I've drawn on. This one here as well going down, and this one going down. Let's zoom out so that you can see why I've done that. Because ever since the big high that we had at the end of December, after this enormous bull run up to nearly $20,000 or thereabouts, we have gone through a corrective period where the price, we've been trying to find the correct price basically, and this is now narrowing, and I've noticed that not only have we got this channel here where we're seeing lower lows. Whenever we go to a low, it's at a lower price. That's what I mean by lower lows, and also lower highs. Each high point has been lower in price, so we do appear to be in this channel at the moment. Now, the light blue line that you see here is the shorts indicator. These are the number of people betting against the Bitcoin price going up, and sometimes high levels of shorts do correlate to an increase in price following soon after. So levels of shorts are going up again. Bitcoin price is going up right now. This is my prediction for the Bitcoin price. It's an optimistic prediction. I'm going to discuss that in a moment. And as well as that, more recently, I have noticed that we are going into what's known as an ascending wedge with this latest price action that's been happening since the 10th of August. So coming up to a month now, we've been in this ascending wedge pattern where we are seeing higher highs and also higher lows. So what's going to happen next? Now, we are seeing that the RSI, which is this down at the bottom, this shows us the strength of the market. This is on the way up still, and we do expect it to get into the oversold territory around about, I would guess, around about the 8th to the 10th of September, say. So if that is correct, what we could be doing is following a pattern up to this point here, which will give us a price of $7,624. So this is a target here that I would say to sell at, anywhere between the current price and up here. I'd recommend to sell. I don't think we're going to go to my optimistic target up here necessarily, unless something happens with the shorts that is known as a short squeeze, where an increase in price of the Bitcoin price here could trigger a lot of stop losses out, and that makes people buy back into Bitcoin, which will further increase the price. So that could set us up to that trajectory even higher. We could go above $8,455 if that happens, but it's not guaranteed to happen. What I'm looking for in particular now is a drop in price. So let's paint on what I think could happen. We could go up in price to here and then experience a drop in price. Now that drop could happen like so, and I think we could drop down to approximately this level before then going up and then hopefully breaking through this resistance line, and that could then trigger another bull run that everybody has been waiting for. Now, if there is good news on the 30th of September regarding the Bitcoin ETFs, that could definitely help the Bitcoin price. So perhaps we go through some kind of sideways trading where the price just stays stationary roughly until then the price is ready to go up with some good news regarding the Bitcoin ETF that everybody's waiting for. If not, if we get bad news at that time, then the price could drop, and it could drop to, I would say, no less than $6,170. So that is my price prediction for Bitcoin. Now, it's just my opinion. I don't recommend you trade off my opinion, but hopefully it helps with your chart analysis to see my opinions about this. Now, one thing that's very worth noticing about the stochastic RSI that I've noticed some other YouTubers who have more subscribers than me getting wrong. Basically, the difference between the normal RSI and the stochastic RSI is that the stochastic RSI works best when the price is going sideways. The normal RSI works best when we are seeing these up and down swings. So I would recommend using the normal RSI when you are looking at these swings that happen over periods of weeks, even months. And the stochastic RSI is really for these narrow periods, such as here, for example, where the price roughly just went sideways, and here as well, which isn't normally, that is not normally a good time to do any trading anyway, because it is unpredictable during these times. For example, here, yeah, you could have used the stochastic RSI to figure out when to buy in, and when it did go up, you could have sold there. So we could have made a profit of 21%, which is not bad, but it is just riskier. So I'm always looking for the long-term trading opportunities. So normally I'll go on the normal RSI. So if we was looking at the normal RSI, it was low here, for example. So if you were to buy in at that low point there, and then you waited for it to go up to the peak, which you can see here, then that would have been a 36% increase over 41 days. So not bad. It is more difficult to trade during this period that we're in now, which is like a corrective period after a bull run. Very easy to make money during a bull run. So now it's really testing people's technical analysis and also fundamental analysis. It's much more difficult to trade right now, but we will see some action happening soon. We're definitely getting into a range here where we're going to either break through to the upside. Everybody really is watching this red line here and seeing if we can break through. If the price does bounce down, then look for it going towards this line and bouncing off again, and then that would be a good point to buy in. So I hope this helps. I'm looking for you clicking that thumbs up button if it did, and let me know what you think in the comments as well. If you've got any questions, also let me know in the comments. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.